welcome back to the channel. And the crypto market is at a key turning point right now. As we can see, the fear and greed index is just on the cusp of fear, just coming up from extreme fear. And this key point is kind of the ultimatum whether we are truly going to see a super cycle, the end of the traditional 4-year cycle, or is this the start of the bear market? Quickly though, as always, remember the usual disclaimer that nothing in today's video should be taken as financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and you should treat this strictly for educational purposes. As we can see with the Bitcoin chart, we hit that top at around $125,000 and have had a pullback over to 90,000. But is this the end of the cycle? Are we going to see a bear market with maybe a drop of Bitcoin to below 70,000? Or are we truly in a super cycle and are we going to see new highs very soon? An important thing to consider for this is the Federal Reserve rates and what is going to be happening in the upcoming Fed meetings. As we can see here, in December, Polymarket is putting a 87% chance at a 25 base points cut, which again, it could be very good for the super cycle. And then again here, we can see details for January, March, and April. Of course, these cuts are very bullish for the markets, expecting a lot of more liquidity to flow into crypto. So this is a big meeting. In terms of the whole market, of course, we can see this affects them. But what I want to take a look at are some new token pre-sales. But again, if we are truly in a super cycle, these new launches can go absolutely crazy, which brings me swiftly on to a MaxiDoge and their token pre-sale happening now. So MaxiDoge trades on 1000x leverage, no stop loss, just fuel the Maxi pump. You of course can find a link in the description and you can purchase Maxi right now. We can see this pre-sale has been very impressive, raising over $4.2 million so far. You can get one Maxi token for 0.0002705. But again, these price increases happen every so often over time. So the longer you wait, the higher the price. So it's very important to get in as soon as possible. It's very simple to buy. Again, connect your wallet to the widget. Again, any sort of popular Web3 wallet here, as we can see. And then once you are connected, simply swap your ETH, BNB, or stables, or even pay with a bank card. And once the pre-sale ends, you can claim your MaxiDoge tokens. But let's take a look at some MaxiDoge details here. So again, we have the MaxiDoge character here, really cool. And again, kind of like a more niche point with, again, we can see Max ripped with Max gains. MaxiDoge clutches a green candle like a lightsaber. Pumped and sweating on leverage, he spends 7 dog years YOLOing into oblivion, chasing pumps, clout, and mum's approval. One dream, infinite risk with no exit plan. So some tokenomics, we can see 25% of it is the Maxi fund. So MaxiDoge only knows max leverage. The fund fuels maximum project exposure and optimal pump dynamics. There's 40% marketing on full send with match campaigns with top tier KOLs, PR paydouts all over DGN traders. 15% for the dev to again maintain the pump and speeds up the evolution. 15% of liquidity on max locks and funded for extreme DEX trading volume. 8 hard, hodl hard, and MaxiDoge way, and 5% for staking rewards into the staking pool with a dynamic APY. So you want to be early for the biggest rewards here. As we can see, the Maxi utility. First off, we have the staking. So the Maxi rewards pool staking has daily smart contract distributions. They also are Maxi contests with community activations and rewards for top ROI hunters, and partner events, futures platform integrations, and gamified tournaments. So if it dips, double down. On the roadmap here, again, first off, this website is really awesome. Stage 1, wake up, leverage trade with the first 1000x. Code up on the website, ask pump for the marketing funds, quick gym sets, and the smart contract order. Then of course, we have stage 2, lunch and gym, with the MaxiDoge pre-sale going live, short Monster Energy for dominance, set up the socials, global to marketing fund, and reflect on the morning, L's, and plot the PM comeback. Stage 3, PM Discord ops to convince the KOLs to shill, DEX paid, and the 200th trade of the day. Stage 4, we have power through the final 6 hours of screen time, close out the pre-sale with max volume, pre-launch influencer and PR blitz, and listing on DEX and CEXs with future trading partnerships. And of course, from then on, we go higher. So we have some FAQ questions here, but one we're going to take a look at are the trusted. We can see, of course, trusted by many different various platforms. And again, the contract is audited as well. You of course can then also follow their socials here. So on Telegram, MaxiDoge, already 3,000 subscribers, and here on X over 5,000 followers. Big Dog just rolled up new king in town. So I love the unique content they are putting up for MaxiDoge. Again, a very popular cartoon character, and maybe they could even do some animated content in the future. So it is a great selling point here. And again, in Doge goes Maxi. It's the only Doge trading on perma 100x leverage. So of course you can check out MaxiDoge in the links down below in the description. Of course, the purpose of the token here is max leverage, 0f's given, and the Maxi token represents your stake in the vibes and culture of extreme crypto traders, where it's 1000x or nothing, extreme pain or maximum gains, which kind of symbolizes a lot of meme coins, which is why MaxiDoge is at a great spot. Everybody's in here for that 1000x or nothing. And of course, if everybody's doing that, no one's going to sell. So you are going to get that Maxi 1000x. You can trade it on Ethereum. And of course, the pre-sale is safe to buy. We can see it's secured by Web3 Toolkit technology, and it's available in Best Wallet. And here we can see either MaxiDoge sounds a bit more like K9 Security Company. We can see there's been 137 buyers joined in the last 24 hours. And of course, powered by Web3 payments, and you can use any popular crypto wallets. So I'm excited to see how MaxiDoge can do, especially after the pre-sale ends. Of course, if you want to get in at the most advantageous price, you get in during that pre-sale. If we do get a full reversal on Bitcoin back over 100k, altcoins are going to fly and will truly get an alt season, which is where you want to be taking a look at these more niche projects for those with big 100 or 1000x gains. But I hope you have enjoyed this video here today. Thank you for watching. Let me know, do you think we're going to be in a super cycle, or is this the start of a bear market? And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.